Hello friends, I hope you have begun developing the habit of reading that will play a crucial role in building your vocabulary. Also, I believe you would have used the word gumption and phrase fight tooth and nail at least once a day last week. Now it's time to learn another fascinating word and phrase that will add value to your communication. The word for the week is embellish. It's a verb, and as per Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, it means to make something more attractive or beautiful by adding decorative details or features. Embellish can be used when we are talking about art, craft, architecture, clothes, ornaments, etc. to highlight fanciful and striking details. Let's see some examples. The bride's jewelry is embellished with pearls and diamonds. The Christmas tree is embellished with fairy lights, glitter, and lots of silver baubles. Gothic cathedrals in Europe are embellished with unique patterns and motifs. Another meaning of embellish is to make a statement or a story more interesting by adding extra details that are often untrue. Here are some sentences. Writers embellish their anecdotes to draw readers' attention. He is embellishing his side of the story with false statements. One phrase that will complement the word embellish is be ahead of the curve. As per Cambridge Dictionary, it means to be one of the first to change to a new idea or way of doing something that later becomes generally popular. Here are some examples. The way Martha embellishes clothes with exquisite embroidery shows she is ahead of the curve. And embellishing my house with eye-catching decors, I always want to be ahead of the curve. To remain ahead of the curve, Steve always embellishes his stories with exaggerations. For the rest of the week, embellish your language with the word embellish and remain ahead of the curve with respect to learning new words. I'll be back with a new word next Monday. Till then, keep reading.